matter your role in K-12 education, a teacher, administrator, parent, or community supporter, chances are you've watched technology expand more quickly than any of us could have anticipated. K-12 schools have mirrored that growth through the decades. 40 years ago, performances weren't recorded at all. You either attended live or missed it completely. 30 years ago, performances went on VHS tapes, which of course led the way to DVDs. 20 years ago, a well-meaning parent might take out their personal cell phone and make a bootleg copy of a performance. 10 years ago, schools might post just a photograph of an event on socials because they were rightly worried about copyright violations. And now, entire performances and events are streamed legally. The walls of the building quietly disappeared, and K-12 school culture transformed. Together, we'll explore the central question that sits at the heart of Beyond the Building. How do we embrace online sharing confidently and responsibly?